Good morning children, welcome back to our English class. In the earlier class we have discussed about Ashok's kite. I will recall you the story once again. Ashok is a boy who liked to prepare a kite on his own for Makara Sankranti. And Makara Sankranti is celebrated on 14 January of every year. And this festival is the festival of farmers. They cut the crops in this month. Okay, it is the beginning of the spring season. So today I am going to read the lesson for you. Carefully listen. Ashok enjoyed the art and craft class at school. He loved to draw and paint and make things out of paper. He made things like boats, masks and colorful chain. Mask. Mask means so mask means the painted papers of animals or of human beings. You have the Krish mask, no? So like that, mask means the painted pictures of the animals or the people. Animals like you have the tiger mask you know about it is very familiar, the Spider-Man mask. So he used to prepare like boats, masks and colorful chains. But he had never made a kite. Will you help me make a kite for Makar Sankranti, Papa? He asked. Of course, I will. Let us get the materials to make it. Materials. Materials means the things required to prepare a kite, like the tape, the color paper, the strings and everything. So the things required is called materials. At the market, they went to a shop where Ashok chose a yellow paper to make the kite. Then they bought two thin bamboo sticks for the frame. Frame means see, for the kite you keep the bamboo sticks, no? This is called the frame to keep the shape of the kite. As you have the photo frame, you have your photos, no? At the corners you will have the frame. Even the god idols, you will have the frame at the corner, no? That is called the frame. Some sticky tape to fix it on the kite and a strong string to fly it with. Lastly, they bought some watercolors to paint a picture on the kite. That evening, his father drew a diamond shape on the paper for the body of the kite. Diamond shape, as we have discussed, this is the diamond shape. Okay, this is the diamond shape. And Ashok cut it very carefully. How do you want to decorate it? Asked his father. I would like to paint a picture of the sun. Why? Asked his father. Because Granny says that we celebrate Makara Sankranti to welcome the sun. And I want my son to say hi to the sun in the sky. So Ashok painted an orange sun that had a cheerful face. Cheerful face means smiley face. The sun had a very red color hair that looked like frames and a fine black mustache. Mustache means you say in Telugu, no? Mesa. Now see this. This is the mustache. Fine black mustache that curled up at the ends. The next day, Ashok helped his father to attach the bamboo frame to the kite. Finally, Ashok pasted 5 streamers. Streamers means the tails. See the colorful ribbons. Here you can see These are called the streamers. That is the colorful ribbons you keep down, you know. That is called the colorful streamers to make the tail. The kite was ready. So finally his kite, he has prepared the kite. So let us recall the story once again. So first he goes to the shop to purchase the materials. Second, he keeps all the things required, all the materials means the things, that is the color paper, the crayons and the bamboo sticks. Thirdly, he cuts the shape of the kite. Then fourth, he paints the picture on the kite, and then he attaches the colorful streamers to the kite at the end, and the kite is now ready to fly up in the air. So as I asked you to prepare a kite, I want you to prepare a kite and show in the next class. Thank you.